Hello dear students, welcome back to Royce and Creations YouTube channel. In this class, let us analyze 10th standard science question paper 2026 state level preparatory examination 3 along with its answer. Those who are watching first time, please subscribe and share with your friends. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬಹಳ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಸೊ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರನ್ನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೊ ಇದರ ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಎ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, a mirror produces erect and enlarged image of an object. Then the type of mirror and the nature of that image is respectively ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಕಾನ್ಕೇವ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವರ್ಚುವಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಕರೆಂಟ್, ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಪವರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪವರ್. Option D is the right answer. Next, second main, answer the following questions. Third question, draw the symbol of the following component used in an electric circuit. One is rheostat and one more is a wire crossing without joining. So this is the symbol for rheostat. So you can write any one. You can choose any one of the rheostat this one circuit. And the next one is the wire crossing without joining. This is the circuit. Next, fourth question, what happens if the fuse is connected to the normal wire, neutral wire instead of connecting to the live wire in the meter board of the house? So as the appliances will remain live can result in a fatal electric shock. Next, electric equipment will be damaged as the fuse will not work. Next, fifth question, define the phenomenon shown in the below given figure. So you can observe the figure that we can call as the dispersion of light. What happens? The phenomenon in which the light ray splits into its constituent colors. Next, which color does H and M represent ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. H represent red, M represent blue. Sixth question, how does the resistance of a conductor related to the length of the conductor and the area of cross section of the conductor? So directly proportional to the length of the conductor. As the length of the conductor increases, then the resistance is also increases, are proportional to L. Next, inversely proportional to the area of cross section of the conductor. As the area of cross section of a conductor increases, the resistance decreases or the conductivity increases. So are proportional to 1 divided by A. So for that question, we have one more option, the resistivity of some material found at 20 degrees Celsius given in the table below. Look at it and answer the questions and given below. So here silver resistivity, copper and tungsten and nichrome they are given. Which is better conductor among the silver and copper? Why anta kelidare. So silver and copper ali silver is the better conductor because it has extremely low resistivity than the copper. Next, alloys are used in electric heating devices. Why anta kelidare? Because alloys have high electric resistivity, they have high melting point. Next, question number 7, one end of the bar magnet is brought near the south pole of a magnetic needle. Then this end of the magnetic needle deflects away from the end of the bar magnet. Name the pole of the bar magnet that has been directed towards the south pole of this magnetic needle. Give reason for your answer. So the pole is the south because like poles of the magnets repel each other. Next, fourth main. So 3 marks questions. Eighth question, draw the diagram showing the formation of a image when an object is placed between 2f1 and f1 of a convex lens. Mention the position and size of the image formed. So principal focus of lens f1 should be. So this is the image of the figure. This one, the ray diagram image. So when the object is kept between 2f and f, the image will be formed beyond 2f2. The nature of the image will be real and inverted. So if you will write this one, you will get a 3 marks. Next, 9th question, what is presbyopia? Mention the reason and suggest a remedy for this defect. So presbyopia means difficulty to see both nearby and far away objects. The reason is weakening of the ciliary muscles and diminishing flexibility of the eye lens. Remedy, use the suitable bifocal lens. For that question, option is there. What is the short sightedness? What are the reason for this defect? How can it be corrected? So a person can be nearby objects clearly but cannot see distant objects clearly. So that is called short sightedness. The reason is excessive curvature of the eye lens and also elongation of the eyeball. And what we are to do, how we are going to correct means by using a concave lens of a suitable power. Next, 10th question, A question. What are the reason for the overloading in an electric circuit ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. If the insulation of the wire is damaged, if there is a fault in the appliances, if live wire and neutral wire come into direct contact and connecting too many devices to a single socket and using fault rated fuse in the electric circuit, then only we can see the overloading in an electric circuit. Next, question number B. What is a solenoid? How can an electromagnetic magnet be prepared from a solenoid? So a coil from many circular turns of insulated copper wire wrapped closely in the shape of a cylinder is called a solenoid. By keeping piece of magnet materials like soft iron inside the solenoid and pass current. So for that question, we have one more option. Mention the characteristics of magnetic field line ಕೇಳಿದರೆ. So magnetic field lines are emerge from north pole to south pole of the magnet. Magnetic field lines never intersecting each other. Magnetic field lines are closer in strong magnetic field at the poles and these are closed curves. Question number B. When the number of turns of a current carrying circular loop is increased by the 10 times, what change that occurs in the magnetic field of it ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So magnetic field will also increases by 10 times. Next, fifth main, what is reflection of a light? The light ray traveling from one medium hit a polished surface and travel back to the same medium. This phenomenon is known as reflection of light. ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಥರನದು ಬರೀಬೋದು. The phenomenon of bouncing back of incident ray from the surface of the opaque or polished object. Next, state the laws of reflection of a light. First law, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Next, second law, the incident ray normal to the mirror at the point of the incidence and reflected ray all or lie on the same plane. Next, C question, what is the focal length of a mirror? So the distance between the pole and the principal focus of the spherical mirror is called as the focal length of the mirror. So for that question also we have one more option. What is reflection of light? So when the ray of light travels obliquely from one transparent medium to another, the direction of a propagation of light changes in the second medium is known as a refraction. State Snell's law ಕೇಳಿದರೆ the ratio of sin of an angle of incidence to the sin of angle of the refraction is a constant for the light of a giving color for the given pair of media. That means sin I by sin r is equals to constant. Define the following respects to the lens. Optic center ಕೇಳಿದರೆ optic center ಅಂದರೆ the center point of a lens is called optic center. Next, aperture ಅಂದರೆ the effective diameter of the circular outline of a spherical lens is called as the aperture. Next, 12th A question, observe the diagram given below electric circuit. Find the total resistance of the total current of the circuit. So first you can see R1, R2, R3 are in the parallel. Next it is in the series. Therefore first you have to calculate 1 by Rp. Then you can add the 1 by Rp plus R4. So then we will get the total resistance. Then total current is also we can use Ohm's law. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು R1, R2, R3, R4 ಅದಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ವಿನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 9 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ RT ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, I ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So value substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we'll get 1 by Rp is equals to 13 divided by 48. Therefore Rp is equals to 48 divided by 13. Therefore Rp is equals to 3.9069 ohm ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So the total resistance of the circuit RT is equal to Rp plus R4. Therefore we got 6.69 ohm. Next electric current high ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We have Ohm's law, I is equals to V divided by R. Therefore 9 divided by 6.99 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1.34 amps ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next further question, B question is there children. An electric fan rated 50 watt is used for 6 hours in a day. What is the cost of the energy consumed for 30 days? For 4 rupees 1 kilo ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So first you have to make it 50 into 6 into 30 ಮಾಡಿ, because we have to find out the total energy consumed in a 30 days. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 9000 ವ್ಯಾಟ್. therefore you convert into kilowatt, 9 kilowatt ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So they are already given the cost for 1 kilowatt is 4 rupees. Therefore 9 kilo 36 rupees. Next part B, chemistry. Question number 13. The chemical formula of a bleaching powder CaOCl2. Option D is the right answer. 14th question. Observe the following chemical equation. Identify the correct statement ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಕಾಪರ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ಬಟ್ less reactive than iron. Therefore option C is the right answer. 15th question. Another structure that has the same molecular formula of the given structural formula among the following is ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟೇನ್, ಎನ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟೇನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೀಗ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಐಸೋಬ್ಯೂಟೇನನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಆನ್ಸರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 16th question. What is the reason for the formation of brown colored fume in the experiment shown through a below given figure ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ evolution of nitrogen dioxide gas by the decomposition of lead nitrate. 17th question. Name any two materials that are available in pure form of the nature. One is gold, silver, platinum. 18th question. What is the significance of hydrogenation? Because unsaturated carbon compounds has been converted into saturated. Next, more reactive fats can be converted into less reactive fats. The shelf life of carbon compounds ಅಥವಾ fatty acids can be increased. Next, 8th main question number 19. A solution of baking soda is commonly applied to the area of a honeybee stung area. Justify this action. Why? Because the stung of honeybee contains methanoic acid which causes pain and irritation. Apply the baking soda on stung area, neutralizes the acid and gives relief. Question number 20. How pure mercury obtained from the cinnabar ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. When the cinnabar is roasted in the presence of air to obtain mercurious oxide and sulfur dioxide. So mercurious oxide is calcinated further to decompose it into mercury and oxygen. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. why are the calcium does not catch fire when it reacts with the water? The reaction of calcium with water is less violent. The heat evolved is not sufficient for the hydrogen to catch fire. Question number 21. Carbon compounds are found in the larger number in nature. Why? Clarify the reason. So because of tetravalency. Since the carbon has a valency of 4, it is capable of bonding with the 4 other atoms of carbon or carbon of other elements. Next, one more catenization, that is the unique ability of a carbon to form bond with other carbon atoms give rise to large molecule. Next, 9th main 22nd question. Magnesium ribbon burns with the dazzling white flame in the air and changes into magnesium oxide. Mention the type of the reaction ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So the chemical combination reaction, that is the this example will be chemical combination. B question ಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ list out the observation that helps to use determine that a chemical reaction taken as been takes place ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಕಲರ್, ಎವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ಡ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಸ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ of each elements remains the same before and after the chemical reaction. Next, mention the measure that are followed to prevent rusting of iron. One is oiling, greasing, painting, galvanization, chrome pasting and anodization. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 23rd ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೋಡಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ ನೀವು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ 24th ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಶೋ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಮ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಡಾಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸಾಕು, ನಿಮಗೆ 2 ಅಂಕಗಳು ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಂಫೋಟರಿಕ್ ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ aluminum oxide reacts with both acids and base to produce salt and water. So that's enough. Next 10th main answer the following questions. 25th question A. Write any two differences between saturated and unsaturated carbon. They are a single bond between carbon atoms. Unsaturated they have double and triple bond. Saturated less reactive, unsaturated more reactive. Saturated give blue color flame on burning, that is yellow color flame on burning. Saturated can undergo substitution easily, example alkanes, and unsaturated hydrocarbons can undergo both addition and substitution, example alkene and alkynes. Next question number B. Write the molecular formula and structural formula of the following carbons, propanoic and cyclohexane. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಅದರ ಚಿತ್ರ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಿ ಬಯಾಲಜಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 26. ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾ ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 27. ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಟ್ರಾಪಿಸಮ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಸಿನ್ ಹಾರ್ಮೋನ್. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 28. A common bacteria infection that spreads through sexual contact in human, that is a gonorrhea. Option E is the right answer. Next 12th main answer the following questions. 3 questions ಇದೆ. 29th question. Double circulation of blood is essential to maintain constant temperature in mammals. How ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ because it allows more efficient supply of oxygen to the body cells. It generates the extra energy needed to maintain consistent both temperature. Question number 30 is self-pollination is possible in flowers that have only stamens. Justify your answer. No, because the flower is unsexual. Because the flower is unisexual or the flower has only male reproduction part. What is DNA replication ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ interphases of cell division the cellular DNA duplicates itself, that is called DNA replication. Next 32 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ನೆಫ್ರಾನ್ ಚಿತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ಬೌಮನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸುಲ್ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ಅದಷ್ಟನ್ನು ನೀವು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ದ ಪಾತ್ವೇ ಥ್ರೂ ವಿಚ್ ದ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ reflex travel to set a responsible. In many animals, reflex arc have been found an effective way of functioning. Why anta kelidare? Because the thinking process of the brain is not fast enough. Many animals have very little or none of the complex neuron network needed for thinking. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 34ನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬ್ರೈನ್ದು 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೈಪೋಥಲಾಮಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪಾನ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 35th ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಫಾದರ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ ದ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ವೈ? ಸೊ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಆದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟಾದರೂ ನೀವು ಬರೆದ್ರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ 1 ಅಂಕ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಿ ಕ್ವಶನು. ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಸೀಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಪೀ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಸೀಡ್ producing plant. Then write a checkerboard showing the results obtained in the F2 generation. ಸೊ ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಬರೆದು ನೀವು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಡಿ F2 ಜನ್ರೇಷನ್ ಇದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು 9:3:3:1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 36ನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ. ಗ್ರಾಸ್, ಫ್ರಾಗ್, ಸ್ನೇಕ್. ಇಫ್ ದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫುಡ್ ಚೈನ್ ಇಸ್ 100 joule, what kind of the effect this would impact on our environment? ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗೋ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಆ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಸ್ನೇಕ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ 1 joule. So according to 10% law, only 10% energy will move to the next tropic level. B question, if all the waste we generate are biodegradable, what kind of the effects this would impact on our environment? Discuss. Areas where biodegradable waste are dumped act as the breeding ground for insects, pests and spreads the diseases. Next question number 37. So our inorganic substances transported from the xylem tissues in plant. Explain why any 4 methods used plants to eliminate waste material. ಸೊ ಅದಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಹೌ ಡು ಡಾಟರ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಹೈಡ್ರಾ, ಸ್ಪೈರೋಗೈರಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಮೀಬಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ದಟ್ ಅಕ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಲವರೆಟ್ ಫರ್ಟಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಬರೆಯೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.